There are some seriously bad drivers in Nashville. Turning lane starts here, but there are cars coming down the oncoming traffic lane.
Back up. Backing up.
There was a truck behind me that starts honking.
Back up.
I can't go anywhere, and this lady is just sitting there in the wrong lane.
Back up. Back up. Back up.
I get out to explain that she's driving the wrong direction in the wrong lane. Dude on the street and guys in Jeep are telling her the same thing. Then a fire truck approaches from behind me. Nobody can move with her in the way.
There's a fire truck!
Once I can finally move, there's another person doing the same thing. The street to my right is closed, so I move further ahead to give room. If you drive your car into oncoming traffic to speed past a line of cars, you need to lose your license.
It's something you do later. You know, it's not something you do to avoid getting the virus. And here's the thing: once you have the virus, for some people that's a death sentence. It doesn't matter how you treat it.
Are you doing,
Wait a
man?
minute, stop. I don't know if that's true. I don't know if that's true because we don't know what they're doing. When you say it doesn't matter how you treat it, they treat them with monoclonal antibodies in particular early on in their infection.
Which are available in Florida.
Yeah, they're available everywhere.
Yeah.
It's shown to have an incredible.
Christ.
There's a recent study that Fauci actually talked about it. That 85%
God. Whatever you're doing, what are you doing? That was wrong.
Affordable TV packages like the Flex Pack, which offers 50 popular channels with the ability to add on channel packs. They will appeal to your customers. Plus, when you sign up for this business, they'll give you the 2-year TV price.
What's wrong with you, bud?
So you won't get any surprise.
You!
Drive repeat business. Drive repeat business with customized entertainment.
What's up? I'll fuck you up right now, bitch. You might want to get back in that car, motherfucker. Get in the car, motherfucker.
Когда человек просится, блядь, так это нормально. Are you fucking stupid? Сука, блядь.